subscribers. Today I will show you how to add new product on Seller. This is a very good idea for creators who want to sell their digital products online. If you don't have this Seller account, you can just click here start selling, and since I already have my account, I will just log in. So you just start selling and sign up using your email. You can see my product. I have 12 products. I have made some sales. I will share. I have several sales. So this is a very good and genuine online platform where you can sell your digital products online. So let me show you. I have several upcoming payouts. I want to sell this Excel, which shows step to step of manual design for foundation, columns, beams, slab, and staircase. And so I just need to click on there on top and then add product. Then you can see my products. I have many products which I'm selling. Then I will just add product. It's a digital product. Next, I will drop my image here. My image is a screenshot, so I will browse. I'll go to images, screenshots. I'll pick the first image, that is my image. Then my product name is structural calculations. I will sell it at 500 Kenya shillings. I will then scroll down. So I want to make sure my image has loaded completely, because you can't add a product if your image is not all loaded. Then I will drag and drop my product. So I will just pick media picker, then I'll go to Ducto. My product is in Ducto. Internal storage Ducto. It is called structural calculation. So I don't want to open, I just want to pick it. So I will long press. I will long press, then select. So it's being uploaded, almost complete. My category, I will add my category, professional. Subcategory is professional development. Then I need to add my description. I think my description should be added here, because without a description, you cannot add the product. It's a must. You add your description. Then I will just click create product. You can see it's now loading. Success, congratulations, your product has been created. Then you will need to just click on the link and copy link address. Then you start sharing this link to the people you want to sell your product. If you like this video, consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. I will see you in my next